Daily routine of the professional traders. Routine number 1, wake up early in the morning, go to the gym and exercise for 40 minutes to 1 hour. Wake up early. For me, I wake up at 6 a.m. Exactly 6 a.m. When the alarm rings, I don't sleep again. I wake up, I go to the gym, I exercise for 1 hour. You can exercise for 40 minutes. But let us see, what does exercise do to our trading? When you exercise sharpens your mind. It makes your body concentrate. And when you concentrate, you stop trading through your emotions. You stop following your emotions. You start controlling your emotions when trading. So gym or exercising is very important before pressing any trade. So always go to the gym before entering any trade. In the morning, wake up very early. Routine number 2, take cold shower. What is the importance of cold shower? Cold shower, it relaxes our minds. Cold shower relaxes our minds. It helps our brain not to take impulsive decisions. Like you have seen the price is bearish, but because you have seen the bullish candlestick, let me enter for a buy. When you take cold shower, you get rid of all that. So always, when you combine these two, taking cold shower and exercising for 40 minutes or 1 hour, you become a better trader. These two will not help you to be profitable. Rather, they will not make you profitable, but they'll help you to become a better trader. And that's what I do every single day. Let me show you routine number 3. Come back and analyze your chart on the H4 time frame. That's where you identify your market structure, breakout structure, change of character or market shift, where you draw your key levels, support and resistance levels, your trend lines. So that's where you start analyzing your chart. The price is bearish, and you continue analyzing your chart after exercising and taking cold shower. So you draw your key support and resistance levels, and you identify market structure, whether price is bullish or bearish. So rule number 4, routine number 4, mark up your support and resistance levels, trend lines on the H1 time frame. On the H1 time frame, guys, you see, guys, on the H1 time frame, you do it like we have done earlier. Here you mark them here. What to do next? Let me show you another routine. I'm showing you what professional traders do to be profitable. This is a secret. For them, they don't talk about this. They only talk about high risk to reward ratio trades, support and resistance levels, supply and demand, but they don't talk about this. This is very important for a trader. They do this to be profitable. So the next routine, follow the trend direction. You have to follow the trend direction, guys, like the way you see I did here. Always mark up your market structure. I have already showed you. Mark up your market structure after gymming and exercise and taking cold shower. Mark up your market structure. When the price is bearish, mark up. Like here, the price was bullish, going up, creating higher highs, higher low, higher highs. Then it came back and took out this last higher high, higher low. When it took out this last higher low, the price, I know now the price is bearish. The price is bearish, and that's why you can see a market shift here. Because I know there is a shift in market. So that's why I marked this as a market shift. Now I know the price is bearish and I have to look for sales. I have to look for sales, and that's why I have drawn my key resistance level here on the H1. So what next? You have followed the trend. What next? Follow your trading plan. This is where you know which market are you trading. Options, forex. For me, I trade forex. The currency pair. Currency pairs for me, I trade GBP JPY, gold, Euro USD, and GBP USD. Those are only four currency pairs that I trade. You have to know all about that. Trade time. When I talk about trade time, I mean the sessions you trade. There is Asian session, London session, and New York session. For me, I trade London session and New York session. I don't trade Asian session. Why? Because Asian session is very difficult to trade Asian session because there is no liquidity in the market. There is no money in the Asian session. Yeah, there is no money in that session. So you should avoid it all the time. So this is where you know where you enter the trade and you exit. Entry and exit rules. You set rules where you enter. You say, when I see this, I enter. When I don't see this, I don't enter. When I see this, I exit the trade. So again, you continue, you risk, you follow your risk management and psychology and discipline. This is when you stop following your emotions and start controlling your emotions. You be disciplined. And if you are disciplined, the discipline, by the way, to go for exercise and taking cold shower every single day, it needs discipline. It needs self-discipline, because these things are very difficult. They are very difficult to do every day. So if you are doing this every day, you start controlling your emotions. You start becoming a better trader, because the discipline you put in to do all these, to taking cold shower and going to the gym, you start applying it in your trading, and that's when you start becoming a better trader. You start following your trading plan. You start controlling your emotions. Now let me show you the next routine. The next routine says, wait, and this is the last, wait for price to come back at your key level and enter the trade only after getting confirmations. Remember, we do this stage is for 15 minutes time frame. That's where you get your sniper entry or your precise entry. So you go to the 15 minutes time frame. So you get this and you enter. So you enter after when you get confirmation, you can enter here because you have this big bearish candlestick. That is confirmation number 1. The big bearish candlestick that tells us that price is going up. That is confirmation number 1. The confirmation number 2 I can show you here is the double top. Let me show you. Price goes up, comes down, goes up, and then it is coming down. This is the double top. That tells us, the double top tells us equal highs. It tells us that price is now going down. So when you see this double top, you enter. Another confirmation is that price is already at our key level. Price is already at our key level. A key level, to be strong enough to consider, price must touch the key level more than one time. Price must react at the same price point more than one time. That shows us this key level is strong, whether support or resistance level. So here you enter, you press your stop loss. Always set your stop loss first before you take profit. Always press your stop loss first before you take profit. That is a tip. Here, your stop loss and you take profit. You can I always get my take profit at the next key level, which is here. Which is here. There is a key level here. That's where you get, that is it. On the 15 minutes time frame, you enter and get. But guys, that is very important. But the most important thing, because I have been showing you all this, getting your sniper entry, analyzing your chart, mark up your support and resistance levels, trend lines. When you check my channel, they are all there, and I'm still uploading more important videos. But the most important things are these two. They are very important. Going to the gym, sharpening your mind, concentrating your body, relaxing your mind and your body. They are very important things. So guys, before you do anything, do these two. Go to the gym. Even if you don't have gym or you don't have enough money to pay for the gym, like me, I will not lie to you guys. I don't have that much money to pay the gym. But what I do, I bought my equipments, the cheap equipments. I bought my cheap equipments and I have them. I do every single day, and I have a rule that says that no gym, no trade, no gym, no chart. That rule forces me to go to the gym every single day, because I know if I don't go to the gym, I will not trade. And even when the market is closed, like on Saturday and Sunday, I have to go to the gym. Why? Because I have the discipline. That's why when Saturday and Sunday comes, I still go to the gym. Do the same. Go to the gym. Take cold shower. Within few months, you will see the difference in your trading. So that is it for today. I'm here to share with you values. I'm sharing with you values. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and let us meet in another video.